Morning students, it's time to study maths of class 7. Today we will discuss chapter 2 fractions, exercise 2a. It's 9 sum. As we have already done 8 sum of exercise 2a, so our 9 sum is. A rectangular sheet of paper is 15 3 by 4 centimeter long and 12 and 1 by 2 meter wide. Find its perimeter. So its solution is rectangular sheet of paper is 15 3 by 4 centimeter long. So length of rectangular sheet is equal to 15 and 3 by 4 centimeter. It's in mixed fraction, so we have to convert it in simple fraction. So 15 4 is 60, 60 plus 3, 63.4 centimeter. Next, so width of rectangular sheet is equal to 12 and 1.2 centimeter. So in the simple fraction, 12 to the 24 plus 1, 25.2 centimeter. We have to find out its perimeter. Find the perimeter, we have to take the perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle, rectangular sheet is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Now put the value of length and breadth in this formula. 2 into length 63.4 plus breadth 25/2 centimeter. Now as we have already done the sum of two fractions, so first of all take the LCM of 4 and 2. LCM of 4 and 2 is equal to 4. Now divide 4 by 4. It's 1. 1 multiplied by 63, 63 plus 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 into multiply by 25, 50. It becomes 2. 63 plus 50, 113/4. Now 2 can be cancelled out by 4. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. 113/2 centimeter. So its answer, we can convert it into mixed fraction. 56 to the 112, 1 plus 1, 113. So it's your answer. It's a perimeter of rectangular sheet. Next question is 11th question. What should be added to 7 and 3 by 5 to get 18? So according to solution is, according to the question, what should be added to 7 3 by 5? So we can add x plus 7 and 3 by 5. So here what should be added? That means x should be added to 7 and 3 by 5 to get 18. So its answer is 18. So this is the equation for you. Now change this mixed fraction into simple fraction. 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 3, 38/5 is equal to 18. Now we have to find out the value of x. X is equal to 18. 38/5 is of plus on this side, and when we make it on the other side, it becomes of minus. 38/5. Now it's fraction and it's simple number. So we can make it fraction by placing here 1 in its denominator. So LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5. 5 into 18. 18 into 5, 90. Minus 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 into 38, 38. Now 90 minus 38, 52/5. The value of x is equal to 52/5. Now change this value into mixed 5. 10, 5 tens are 50. 50 plus 2, 52 upon 5. So it's your answer. So 10 and 2 by 5 should be added to 7 and 3 by 5 to get 18. Next question is 13th question. A piece of wire 3 and 3 by 4 meter long broke into two pieces. One piece is 1.5 meter long. How long is the other piece? So वायर को एक जो वायर है 3 and 3 by 4 मीटर लॉन्ग है उसको टू पीसेस में डिवाइड किया गया है. वन पीस इज 1.5 मीटर लॉन्ग एंड अदर पीस की जो हमने लेंथ फाइंड आउट करनी है. सॉल्यूशन इज तो टोटल लेंथ ऑफ वायर is equal to 3 and 3 by 4 meter long. Now it's in mixed fraction, changing to single fraction. So it becomes 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 3, 15 upon 4 meter. Length of one piece of wire. Because the wire is divided into two pieces, so length of one piece of wire is equal to 1.5 meter. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3.2 meter. Length of second piece of wire. We have to find out. So let's x. So let length of second piece of wire is equal to x meter. Now it's a total length of wire. So one piece is of 3 by 2 meter and second piece is of x meter. Now the sum of x and 3 by 2 meter is equal to 15 over 4. So according to question, x plus 3.2 is equal to 15 over 4. X is equal to 15 upon 4. 3 by 2 is of plus. So on that side it becomes minus 3 by 2. Now subtract 3 by 2 from 15 by 4. Take LCM. LCM is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 into 15. 15 minus 4 divided by 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6. So 15 minus 6, it becomes 9 upon 4 meter. So value of x is equal to 9 upon 4 meter. Now change it into mixed fraction. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 upon 4 meter. 2 and 1 by 4 meter. It's your answer. Next 15 sum is of 2 by 3 and 5 by 9, which is greater and by how much? So first of all we have to find out which is greater, of 2 by 3 or 5 by 9. 2 by 3 and 5 by 9. First of all we have to take LCM of 3 and 9. LCM of 3 and 9 is equal to 9. So we have to change these fractions as the denominator becomes 9. 2 by 3, 3.3 and 5.9. So to make it 9, we have to multiply by 1. 2 by 3 and 2 into 3, 6 over 9 and 5 upon 9. So 6 by 9 is greater than 5 by 9. So which fraction is greater? 2 by 3 is greater than 5 by 9. Now we have to find out by how much. By how much? So 2 by 3 is greater. That means we have to subtract 5 by 9 from 2 by 3. Now LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 into 2, 6. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 into 5, 5. 6 minus 5, 1 upon 3 is greater than 5 by 9 by 1 upon 9. It's your answer.